What if I told you that you could start a small online business this weekend without buying products, without paying for advertising, and without investing a single dollar? And here is the interesting part, you don't need thousands of followers or a fancy website. You can simply help businesses create better social media content. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start an AI powered social media content service, how to find your first client, what to charge, and how you could potentially raise $500 in a single weekend. There is no guarantee you will make 500 immediately, but if you follow this process seriously, you will have a real service that businesses can actually pay for. Let's get started. Step 1, choose your service. The business is simple. You are going to create social media content for small businesses. Think about restaurant, gym, real estate agents, salons, cleaning companies, dentists, barbers, clothing stores, coaches, and their local businesses. Many of these businesses know they need social media, but they don't have the time to create content every day. That's where you come in. Your offer could be, I will create 30 days of social media content for your business. That could include 30 post ideas, 30 captions, simple promotional graphics, hashtags, and a content calendar. AI can help create the first draft much faster. But remember, you are not selling AI. You are selling a finished social media content package. Step 2, create your package. Now let's make the offer extremely simple. Create one package. For example, 30 days social media content package for $100. The customer gets 30 social media post ideas, 30 professionally written captions, 10 promotional graphics, a simple posting schedule, and basic hashtag suggestions. You don't need to create a complicated pricing page. You can simply explain the package when you contact potential customers. And here's the math. If you sell the package to 5 businesses into 100 equal to $500. That's your target. You don't need 100 customers. You need only 5 customers. Step 3, create your portfolio. But you might be thinking, why would a business hire me if I don't have any clients? That's where a simple portfolio comes in. You don't need previous customers to create samples. Choose 3 types of businesses, for example, a restaurant, a real estate agent, and a fitness gym. Create 5 sample posts for each one. Use free design softwares to create simple graphics. Then use an AI writing assistant to help generate captions. Now you have a small portfolio. You can put the samples into a simple PDF or online document. Your portfolio doesn't need to be perfect. Its job is simply to answer one question. Can this person create content that looks useful for my business? Step 4, find your customers. Now comes to the most important part. You need customers and you can find them without spending money. Go to Google Maps, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or local business directories. Search for businesses in a specific niche. For example, Miami real estate agents, Los Angeles restaurants, New York fitness gym, Chicago dentist. Look for businesses that have a good product or service but weak social media activity. Maybe their last Instagram post was 3 weeks ago. Maybe their captions are poor. Maybe their graphics look outdated. These are potential customers. Create a list of 50 businesses, then contact them, but don't send the same generic message to everyone. Personalize your message. Step 5, send the message. Here is an example. You could say, Hi, I came across your business and noticed that you are doing some great work, but your social media could be posting more consistently. I help small businesses create a month of social media content without them having to spend hours creating it themselves. I actually put together a few sample ideas for your business. What would you like to me send them over? That's it. Don't write a huge sales piece. Don't immediately send a giant paragraph about yourself. Start a conversation. If they respond positively, show them your samples. Then explain your package. 30 days of content for $100. Step 6. How to reach 500. Now let's look at the numbers. Your goal is 5 clients. Each client pays 100. 5 clients gives you 500. Now, let's say your first customer only wants a $50 starter package. That's okay. Get the first client, deliver excellent work, ask for a testimonial. Then use the testimonial when approaching your next customers. Your goal is not to convince everyone. If you contact 50 businesses and 5 become customers, you have reached your $500 target. Will exactly 5 businesses say yes? Maybe, maybe not. That's why you need to contact enough potential customers. Step 7. Your weekend schedule. Here is exactly how I would approach the weekend. Friday night. Choose one niche, for example, restaurant. Create 3 sample social media packages. Create your portfolio. Create your $100 offer. That's your preparation. Saturday morning. Find 50 potential restaurant customers. Look at their social media. Identify businesses that clearly need better content. Write personalized messages. Start contacting them. Saturday afternoon. Continue outreach. When someone responds, show them your samples, explain your offer, try to close your first client. Saturday evening, start working on the first order because the faster you deliver, the faster you can get your testimonial. Sunday, continue contacting businesses, deliver your completed work, follow up with people who didn't respond, and try to close the remaining clients. Remember, your job is not to sit around waiting for customers. Your job is to actively find businesses with a problem and offer them a solution. The biggest mistake to avoid. There is one huge mistake beginners make. They spend the entire weekend learning. There was videos about freelancing. There was tutorials about AI, design logos, build websites, create business cards, and by Sunday night they still haven't contacted a single customer. Don't do that. Your business doesn't need a fancy logo. It doesn't need an expensive website. It doesn't need even paid advertising. You need a useful service and customers who need it. Spend less time preparing and more time selling. Reality check. Now let's be realistic. Making 500 in your first weekend isn't guaranteed. You might make 0, make 50, or make 200. You might find several clients and reach 500. It depends on your ability, your offer, communication, and the number of businesses you contact. But even if you don't make 500 this weekend, you can still build something valuable because you have created a service business that can continue generating income next week, next month, and beyond. So let's recap. Choose one business niche, create a simple social media content package, use free AI and design tools to help produce the work, create a few simple samples, find 50 potential businesses, contact them personally, offer your business for around $100, and aim for 5 customers. 5 customers into $100 is equal to 500. That's the business. No inventory, no office, no paid advertising, or even no complicated website. Just a useful service and businesses that need it. If you want to start, don't wait for Monday. Start this weekend.